In the meantime, the opposition is also demanding a list of all uncollected goods which were donated in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. The matter was raised by Opposition Spokesperson Anthony Hylton following concerns about donors facing hefty storage fees at the ports.
Goods donated in good faith and in response to the government's invitation to assist Melissa's victims in the immediate aftermath of the hurricane is sitting in warehouses and ports, accruing demurrage and storage fees that in some cases now exceed the value of the items themselves. In several documented cases, individuals and organizations have had to make the painful choice between paying fees that have ballooned over the weeks and months or abandoning the goods entirely.
The opposition spokesman on trade, industry and global logistics is calling on the government to develop a comprehensive disaster logistics protocol before the start of the hurricane season, which begins on June 1.
The opposition calls on the government to immediately publish a full accounting of all donated goods that remain uncollected, in storage, or that have been abandoned at Jamaican ports and cargo facilities. The government must establish an urgent relief mechanism to waive or reimburse storage and demurrage fees incurred by donors of hurricane relief goods, and to facilitate the immediate clearance and distribution of any goods that can still be used.